Now inside this video we are going to implement a language file because we are going to be creating several fields inside our Joomla template. Let me go to Extensions and Template Manager and then click on the CMS Teachings. Now remember, on the last video we create these advanced options. We are going to be creating more options, and what we are going to be creating right now again will be a language file that will let users to change the language from these advanced options. And let me show you how that functionality it is going to work. If you go back to the generator.txt, you are going to have all these text all the way to the bottom. First of all, we are going to create the following file. If you actually let me go in here and analyze, going back in here to your Joomla root files, and then inside your language, click in there, and English GV, click in there. All these are going to be language files that are going to be supporting all your Joomla files, and together with that all your components, modules, and the administrator part of your Joomla website. And that's what basically we are going to be creating right now, but for our Joomla template. Let's go down here and copy this name. Right click, copy. Then we are going to go back to the Komodo edit, click File, New, and New File. This time will be just a normal TXT file. So we are just going to copy, click File first of all, save as. Then in here we are going to right click and paste. Then inside your CMS Teachings folder you are going to go to the language folder, and inside here you are going to save this file. Click Save, and then we are going to go back to the generator and copy all this information down below. The two last lines, right click, copy, and we are going to paste everything in here. Now this will be really important, the generator label and the generator description. Okay, now you can give any name you want in here. In this case, that's the name I choose, and I am just going to copy in here, right click, copy. If you notice, generator Joomla name. So we are going to go back to the template details, and inside the label we are going to insert that text. So right click and paste. We are going to be replacing the old label, and the same will happen with the description. So we are just going to go back the generator description, right click, copy, and we are going to eliminate the description in here. Let me just make a selection in here, delete, and then we are going to Control V to paste. Finally, we are going to click Control S, and this time Control S. Then we are going to upload these files to our Joomla template. Let me go back to my FileZilla, and first of all we are going to go back to the language in here and the GB in here. Now you are going to be doing this only one time, because when you install your template, automatically the language file will be installed inside the language folder. And because on this case we already have installed the Joomla template, we will need to install the language manually. So let's go in here and upload. Then we are going to go back to the template and click in there and CMS Teachings, then language. Right click and upload. And finally we are just going to refresh and see if everything is working. There you are. If you still can see all these names, everything will be working fine. And the next time that somebody wants to change the language inside this template, and especially inside these advanced options, they are going to only need to create a new language file. In this case, they will create another language file and similar to this one, but in whatever language they want. As a consequence, the template and all the advanced options will be changed automatically to that specific language. For right now, that will be it, my friends. We are going to continue working with this new language file, and let's go and move on to the next video.